Good evening. I'm really excited to be here. My name is Robert Gervais. I'm the Global President for CorporateConnections, and I'm on a 3-week trip through India as we're launching in various markets. And I'm really excited to be here with Mala and Raj and Shri as we launch in Chennai, and to really talk a little bit about what CorporateConnections is, but also to highlight the great work that the two of you have done in building out our first group here in Chennai. So I imagine many people don't know what CorporateConnections is in India. We're just establishing ourselves. We've actually been in the market for 1 year with a chapter in Bangalore, but now we are launching across India in about 5 or 6 cities in the coming weeks, and then we expect over the next 3 years to be in 15 cities and have about 800 members. So when I talk about members, it's because CorporateConnections is an exclusive membership-driven organization that really focuses on the top 4% of businesses worldwide, so companies that have 30 crore and up in revenues. And it gives them an opportunity to really what we do, and our mission is to empower these global business leaders to create meaningful change in their businesses, in their communities, and also in their personal lives. The company's been around for almost 15 years, starting in Canada and the US. And in the last year and a half, we've launched across 8 different countries. So of course there's Canada, the US, we also have Mexico, Poland, Switzerland, the UAE, and Dubai, across India and Japan. As we grow, what we're seeing is that our members are connecting around the world, and it's creating opportunities for them that they never had before. So it creates, if all goes well, and as we expect, what we're seeing is that it creates business opportunities for the members, which then creates more wealth, more jobs, and really allows our members to impact their own communities in their own way. So the one thing I will add to that is there are 3 main things that we provide through the membership experience. One is, of course, the business relationships that we develop, and those meaningful relationships that go much deeper than just peer-to-peer business. The second is advanced leadership development opportunities. So learning from the best, learning from each other, learning from speakers we bring in at the local, national, and global level. And the third thing is our peer advisory groups, really where we have that personal board of advisors. If I'm sitting down with a number of other business leaders and I'm sharing the biggest challenges that I have strategically in my business, when I get to sit down with 8 to 10 of my peers, they're able to guide me with their experiences, which is going to help me make the right decisions to really accelerate the success and the path to my success in my business. So with that in mind, why don't I let some of you share a little bit why you decided to bring this to Chennai and what you hope to achieve?
Yeah, this is a great organization, CorporateConnections. I had first time met from in Bangalore. I've been there. It's a global organization which can give you connects in the local Chennai, in the state, in the country, and across the world with the filtered people across. So you will network with people who are at that same standard of what you are. That's the best part of it. And you have fun, you have business opportunities, you have learning, and you can share your personal and professional challenges with the other members and learning from each other. It's a great platform to be in, and I really recommend anybody who is in this segment to be a part of it. Thank you.
Subscribe to Valgan Television.
Please subscribe Valgan Television.